What if year 2017 disappeared?
Oh no! 17 is my favorite number!
Oh, some.
To buy this sweatshirt, visit umsum.com.
Firstly, collision of two neutron stars was confirmed as the source of heavy elements like gold, platinum, etc. If 2017 disappeared, scientists would be one sad lot. Secondly, Wonder Woman, a superhero film, was released in 2017. If 2017 disappeared, movie buffs would be one sad lot. Thirdly, SpaceX made history by launching and landing a used rocket. If 2017 disappeared, space fans would be one sad lot. Lastly, IOC awarded 2024 Olympics to Paris and 2028 Olympics to Los Angeles. If 2017 disappeared, citizens of Paris as well as Los Angeles would be one sad